In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PineScript in the TradingView mobile app. This is a great tool for enhancing your charting capabilities, whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open the TradingView website on your mobile device. TradingView offers a robust and powerful platform for trading analysis, which is accessible on both desktop and mobile, allowing you to make the most of your trading journey, even on the go. Once you've reached the TradingView website, your next step is to log into your account. You might already know that logging in ensures that all the charts, settings, and scripts that you've worked on previously are accessible to you. If you haven't registered yet, you'll need to create an account, which only takes a few moments. After logging in, the next task is to open your chart. This is where the magic happens. Your chart is the primary interface within TradingView, allowing you to visualize market movements. Simply navigate to your chart by tapping on it, and it will open up. Make sure you have the right chart that you want to apply your PineScript strategy to. It's important to note that a well-organized chart is crucial for your technical analysis, so take a moment to ensure everything is set up the way you like it. The next part of the journey involves finding the Analysis Hub. This can be done by looking for the analysis options available on your screen. The Analysis Hub is a crucial feature as it lets you dive deeper into the various analytical tools that TradingView offers, including indicators and scripts that can be immensely useful for your trading decisions. Once you find the Analysis Hub, scroll down until you see the Pine Editor. This is where you'll get hands-on with your script. The Pine Editor is a fantastic resource that allows you to write and edit scripts. It provides a simple yet powerful interface to implement custom indicators and strategies with PineScript, TradingView's own scripting language. Finally, the moment you have all been waiting for, pasting your script into the Pine Editor. Now that you're here, you can easily paste your prepared script into the editor and watch your custom indicators come to life. If you're pasting a pre-written script, ensure it's formatted correctly for PineScript to avoid any syntax errors. The editor also gives you options to test your script on real-time data, providing a practical testbed for all your trading indicators and strategies. That's the full process for using PineScript in the TradingView mobile app. By following these easy steps, you'll be up and running in no time, making more informed trading decisions with the help of custom scripts. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to spend time experimenting with the Pine Editor to understand its full potential. Thanks for staying with us through this tutorial, and happy trading.